फेसबुक पे बच्चन साहब को 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा लाइक्स मिले हैं और उनको बताया जा रहा है कि वो सबसे ज़्यादा चहीते कलाकार बॉलीवुड के अब तक साबित हुए हैं। आप दोनों का एक रिएक्शन चाहते थे इसके ऊपर, राजू जी आपका और विजय जी आपका।
मैं फेसबुक या किसी भी सोशल मीडिया पर नहीं हूँ, पर ये तो सभी जानते हैं कि मिस्टर बच्चन सबसे चहीते कलाकार हैं, इंडिया में ही नहीं दुनिया भर में। पर congratulations, I guess it's always nice to know how much people love you.
राजू जी
जितनी भी बार लोग कहते कम है. The fact that even on a bad hair day, Siddharth has to come back home. Even when I'm having a bad hair day, Siddharth has to come back home to me.
Thanks.
That's the main effect, not the side.
I can only talk of films that are in the running this year, right? So, my whole career. I don't know, yeah. It's for you people to decide. Yeah, I think it would be Kahani. Yeah.
I'm so sorry, we have time just for one
just one last.
Hi, and I'm very thrilled to say that our minister here has just watched Kahani and she just told me that she enjoyed the film, which is why it's also top of mind.
Yeah, Vidya here.
Hi, Vidya.
Vidya, you have essayed a lot of magnificent roles in your movies and a lot of splendid movies in your career. So now being the international face, do you feel there is some pressure, like extra pressure to just work up?
No, none whatsoever. I think every form of appreciation is very encouraging, but it does not put any kind of pressure. It just makes me hungrier.
Hi, Vidya. Vidya, we have very, we have film critics sitting on the stage with you all as well. So I'm going to ask this question to you and to Mr. Hirani. A lot of actors usually end up, saying that we really don't care what the critics write. We really don't, and we don't read the newspaper after whatever, and I can't change mine. Hey, do you agree, really? And Mr. Hirani, the same question. Do you not flinch at what has been written about you at all or think over it?
He has no reason to flinch.
Of course.
People only appreciate his films and his work. I've read good reviews. No, actually, I think I won't say that critics don't matter, but I think I will say that sometimes it does happen that the critics get very personal. It's not about the film, it's not about the performance, it's actually about you, and then it's not a nice thing. But there are critics who we all respect for their integrity. Rajiv is definitely one of them. And then you want to, if they have something to say about your film that's not nice, you still take it, you read it and you think about it. And that's only fair. The last time I met you, I actually mentioned Mera Naam Joker. I was revisiting Mera Naam Joker, and I loved watching her. She's definitely, of course, a wonderful actress. But what I realized after watching Mera Naam Joker again now is that she's one of the most naturally stylish actresses Indian cinema has ever seen.
You have won national awards. You have won Padma Shri also. Is Oscar on the list?
Wow. I've never thought about winning an Oscar, really. I hadn't even thought I'd receive the Padma Shri someday, so I think life has been very, very kind. I'm just happy with all the love and appreciation coming my way. And as long as I'm ensured, I'm assured of good parts and good films, I think Oscar भी दूर नहीं.
विद्या, डर्टी पिक्चर आपके जीवन में क्या महत्व रखती है? एक अभिनेत्री को पहले दी गई थी फिल्म, अगर वो अभिनेत्री वो फिल्म कर लेती तो क्या होता?
I don't know. I think a few actresses were approached before I was for the Dirty Picture, and मैं सिर्फ कहूँगी कि दाने दाने पे लिखा है खाने वाले का नाम.
क्या जीवन वैसा ही रहता अगर डर्टी पिक्चर नहीं होती?
जीवन वैसे ही नहीं रहता अगर मैं अब आपके सामने बैठी नहीं होती.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
विद्या, आपकी पोशाक बेहतरीन, बिल्कुल ऐसी लग रही जैसी भविष्य की इंदिरा गांधी.
थैंक यू.
क्या लगता है आपको जीवन में आपसे बेहतर कौन राजनीतिक हो सकता है जो भारत को प्रतिनिधित्व कर सके? तो
सुमीत जरा बाहर बनना मुझे. क्या बात है?
आपको लगता है कि राजनीति में भी थोड़ा आपको अपना झुकाव दिखाना चाहिए ताकि जो महिला, आपने कई एड्स भी किए हैं सामाजिक उत्थान के लिए, तो आपको लगता है कि कहीं ना कहीं आप एक बहुत ही बेहतर नेता साबित हो सकती है?
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. सोशल कॉन्शियसनेस एक तरफ, पर मुझे कोई दिलचस्पी नहीं है पॉलिटिक्स में, और वैसे भी हमारे पॉलिटिशियंस बहुत बेहतरीन एक्टर्स हैं, तो हम उनका यहाँ स्वागत करते हैं, पर मेरी वहाँ जगह बिल्कुल नहीं है.
पर एक आधुनिक भारतीय नारी आपसे अच्छा शायद ही कोई हो सकता है, एक नेता.
पॉलिटिक्स ज्वाइन करके आपको कुछ काम करने की जरूरत नहीं है. अगर आप करना चाहते हैं समाज में, देश में, कहीं भी, आपको पॉलिटिक्स ज्वाइन करने की जरूरत नहीं है उसके लिए.
विद्या, एक आम औरत पार्टी शुरू कर सकती है?
On that very emancipated note, we will end this evening. Thank you so much for coming today.
मैं सिर्फ यही कहूंगी, औरत कभी आम नहीं होती. I rest my case. Thank you.
Thank you, ladies.
This is Pooja from Gulistan News. विजय जी, वुमेन्स डे आ रहा है, अभी आप औरत की बात कर रही हैं, तो अब आप सिर्फ एक सक्सेसफुल एक्ट्रेस ही नहीं बल्कि एक सक्सेसफुल हाउसवाइफ भी हैं, तो इस वुमेन्स डे पे आप वुमेन्स को क्या विशेष देना चाहिए?
मैं पहले तो कहना चाहूंगी कि I enjoy being a woman. I'm very proud of being a woman, and I wish everyone, every woman I know and I don't know in the country, the world over, a very happy Women's Day. और क्या कहूँ? Thank you.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. If we stay any longer, we'll be able to leave directly for the airport for the film festival. So I would just...
And welcome once again. Honorable Minister, it's my promise to gift you another sari and to drape it on you myself. And I assure you, it won't take more than 2 minutes. Yeah, it's wonderful to know that this year we have the competition section like we announced at our previous press conference here. I've been given the task of announcing the nominees. There are 5 categories: Best Actor, Best Actress, Best Director, Best Film, Best Indie Film, and a People's Choice Award. So we start with the People's Choice Award, which is based on the highest box office in Australia. No brownie points for guessing which film that's going to go to, but we'll anyway wait until the 2nd of May. The nominations for Best Actor are Irfan Khan in The Lunchbox, Farhan Akhtar in Bhag Milkha Bhag, and Rajkumar Yadav in Shahid. Best Actress, Deepika Padukone for Goliyon Ki Ras Leela Ram Leela. Did they not serve anyone anything before they walked in here?
A little more josh, yeah, guys. Clap. These are nominations for awards. We all deserve to clap for each other. Sonakshi Sinha for Lutera. Thank you. And Nimrat Kaur for the lunchbox. Best Director. Now this has to be the loudest. Rakesh Mehra for Bhag Milkha Bhag. Ritesh Batra for the lunchbox. Ritesh, where are you? Anup Singh for Kissa, a Punjabi film. And Anand Gandhi for The Ship of Theseus. Best film, Bhag Milkha Bhag. The Lunchbox. Lutera. And Goliyon Ki Ras Leela Ram Leela. And the nominations for the best indie film are Filmistan, Ship of Theseus, and Fandri. Okay. Fandri. Sorry. Fandri. Okay. Fandri, no? Oh, so I said it right? Fandri. Okay, thank you. Yeah, that's it. Should I not say anything else? No, nothing. Thank you very much, everyone.